Now see addition of algebraic expressions. So from lower standard we are familiar with the addition of terms or addition of numbers. So what we will do for the numbers, we have to keep in mind the ones place, thousand place, tens place, even 100 place. So we have to keep the numbers accordingly, keep the digits accordingly. Same way here we have to see the variables, and according to that we have to arrange the terms. So your first is addition of 7x minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. If you observe both the terms, in first term 7x square is there, but in second term there is no x square term. So we cannot keep anything below 7x square. Same way what we did for the numbers. Suppose you have do the addition of 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. What you will do? This is your ones place, tens place, 100 place, and you have only ones and tens place. So below ones place, write ones, below tens place, write tens. If here nothing means you have to keep 0. So and then we do the addition. Same method you have to follow over here. So what you will do here? 7x square. Write down all the terms along with its sign. We are doing addition, so plus. Keep on writing. This is your constant terms. So write constant terms below constant terms. 4x like terms, so 9x. Here nothing means you have to write 0. 9x is positive, so write plus. Now we have to do the addition. So what we can do? Plus 5 minus 10. We have to do the subtraction as both the signs are different. And we have to keep the sign of bigger term. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 is bigger, so we have to write minus 5. Come here, minus 4x plus 9x. Both the terms are different, so we have to do subtraction. So 9 minus 4 is 5. X remain as it is. Don't do x square or 2x. X plus x. These variables remain as it is. So 5x, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 is bigger term positive, so we have to write here plus sign. Now 7x square plus 0, what it gives you? 7x square as it is. So this way we can do the addition of algebraic expressions. Move on to the second question. Now consider this example. Now here you have three algebraic expression, and each expression there are three terms. So here we have to consider first the like terms. According to that we have to place the terms. So first we write these terms: 7xy, 5yz minus 3zx. So 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Then we keep 4yz. 4yz we have to keep below the variable yz. So this is 4yz plus 9zx. So zx, so plus 9zx. We don't have 4y terms, so that we will write at the last, minus 4y. So first and second term is completed. Now next is minus 3xz. So here it is xz, so we have to leave this place to write here 0 and write minus 3, it is xz. So xz is where? Here it is xz. So minus 3, if you write xz or zx, it remains same. Then plus 5x. So in all there is no 5x. So that 5x we will write at the last. And the place is empty. Minus 2xy. Where is 2xy? 2xy will come below 7xy. So minus 2xy. Now wherever there is a place, write there 0. So this way we have to write. Again I am repeating. Write down the first term as it is. From second term you have to see the like terms. 5yz, so below 5yz you have to write 4y 9zx. So below zx we have to write 9zx minus 4y. There is no 4y terms or no y variable terms in the first algebraic expression. So write that separately at the last. Third, minus 3xz. So that will become over here wherever zx terms are there. Then next is 5x. There is no 5x term, so write it at the last. And last one is minus 2xy. So below xy terms you have to write down xy. Now wherever there is a blank place, keep 0. So you will not make any mistakes. Okay. Now to start addition. 5x as it is. As here nothing. Here also nothing. Okay. Minus 4y as it is. Now minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3xz or zx. So minus you have to do addition as both the terms sign are same. So minus 3 give you minus 6 and minus 6 plus 9. Different signs. 9 minus 6 is 3xz. 9 is bigger, so plus 3xz. Move on to the next. 5 plus 4 is 9yz. 7 minus 2, that is 5xy. We are doing addition, so there is no change in the sign. Okay, minus remain minus, plus remain plus. So this way we do the addition of algebraic expression. Move on to the next topic, that is subtraction of algebraic expression.